What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with Nia Design, and today we're going to be installing the new Nia rears on this brand new Lexus RC. Stay tuned. So a little bit about the new Nia rears. One is made out of ABS plastic, so it's nice, strong, durable, and it can take the heat from your exhaust. Two, it's available color matched. In this case, we have it in ultra white, but it's available in any other color, including gloss black, satin black, matte black, and we even have F-Sport gray, which is similar to your front grille. Three, all Nia pieces are designed with the body lines in mind. If you notice how it flows with the body lines of the car, and it also uses your factory bolts. Finally, all the rears come with pre-drilled holes, including your factory clip, and we provide you all the hardware for an easy installation. With the purchase of the Nia rears, you're going to receive some support screws, 2 replacement clips. For this installation, you're going to need a clip remover or a flathead screwdriver, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. Alright, first things first, what we're going to do is wipe down the bottom of the car, remove any rocks or any debris that you might have stuck underneath the bumper. Alright, after your car is wiped down, we're going to remove the factory clip that's located on the back. Get your clip remover or your flathead screwdriver, and let's take it off. Now that you remove the factory clip, this is when you're going to use the clip that we provided to you, and you're going to install the rear spat using this clip to hold it in place. Alright, now that the clip is in place, this is where you're going to start installing the support screws, and always start from this end, that way you have everything aligned properly. Alright, keep in mind when putting the support screws, if you're using a drill, only drill them halfway, that way you prevent from over tightening and stripping the bumper. Alright, now that the support screws are in halfway, this is when you hand tighten it with your stubby screwdriver. By hand tightening, you prevent from over tightening and stripping the bumper. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the new Lexus RC. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll always get back to you. Thanks again.